Hi guys, today we are going to put the much loved and very popular JBL GO 3 head to head with the also very popular and very affordable Oontz Angle 3S. Now, if you've been following our channel at all guys, you'll know we've already done a lot of videos on the JBL GO 3 regarding sound tests and durability tests, so make sure you check those videos out if you haven't already seen them. Links in the description down below, and at the end of this video I'll simply just visit our homepage. If you're into JBL GO 3 guys, then those videos are a must see. I also did a video a few weeks ago on the top 5 best budget and cheap Bluetooth speakers for 2021, and we had the JBL GO 3 at number 3. Now this is mainly a sound test against the Oontz Angle 3S guys, as we've already done an unboxing, first impressions and quick review on the GO 3. Links down below for that video. Well, it's a fair bit lighter than the Oontz, which was 300 grams, but this is 210, so a fair bit lighter. I got this for £29 on Amazon Prime guys, so a great little price right now for the JBL GO 3 if you're interested. Links below, by the way. Nice and small too, only 3.5 inches long this, just under 9 centimeters. Yep, it's got USB-C charging, auto power off, Bluetooth around only 8 to 10 meters with this, so quite short this one. Full waterproof and dustproof IP67 rating, as you'll see in our various durability tests. Up to 5 hours playtime and only 2 hours charging time. It does only have 4.2 watts of total output power guys, but don't be fooled, as it has original JBL Pro sound, which is said to, and does should I say, deliver more power than you'd expect, as we've already found out in previous sound tests. And once again we're about to find out right now. Okay, so let's connect it up now and test it out. 30%. 50%. 50%. I'm going to give it 100%, and then we're going to put the Oontz Angle. 100%. So my verdict guys, well, despite loving the JBL GO 3, its 4.2 watts doesn't really match the 10 watts of output power of the Oontz Angle 3S. That said, it's got great quality sound for its size, and I prefer the feel and that small size of the GO 3 over the Angle 3S. Having said that, the Angle 3S is also not that big, as well as being pretty light too, and it's cheaper and louder with a better quality overall sound than the GO 3 in my personal opinion. So basically guys, if you want something really small and compact that sounds pretty good, then go for the GO 3. But if you want something that's still quite small and compact but louder with a slightly better quality sound, then go for the Angle 3S. Remember guys, this is all my personal opinion, and what you heard here also depends upon your speakers and device that you are listening to, or should I say through, right now. As always guys, Amazon links below if you want to buy any of these speakers, or if you just want a quick look for more info on the Amazon website. Well, that about wraps it up guys. I hope this was helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up. comment and share this video, and please subscribe to help us to grow. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. See you soon.